Hi, I am Maya, an AI-generated member of the Excel Pro team, created by Ashwini Kota, the founder and director of Excel Pro. As VR becomes increasingly integrated into workplace training, collaboration, and productivity tools, one crucial aspect to consider is the choice between using VR controllers or hands for interaction within virtual environments. Traditionally, VR controllers have been the primary input method for interacting with virtual objects and environments. These handheld devices typically feature buttons, triggers, and joysticks that allow users to manipulate virtual objects with precision and control. VR controllers offer a familiar interface for users accustomed to gaming consoles or computer peripherals, making them accessible for a wide range of applications, including corporate training, simulations, virtual meetings, and product prototyping. However, recent advancements in VR technology have introduced hand tracking capabilities that enable users to interact with virtual environments using their natural hands without the need for handheld controllers. This technology leverages sensors and cameras to track the movements of the user's hands and fingers, allowing for intuitive and immersive interactions within VR experiences. When considering the use of VR controllers versus hands for corporate applications, several factors come into play. Ease of use. VR controllers provide tactile feedback and physical buttons that can aid in precise interactions within virtual environments. Users familiar with traditional input devices may find controllers easier to use initially, particularly for tasks that require fine motor skills or complex interactions. In contrast, hand tracking technology offers a more intuitive interface that mimics natural hand movements, eliminating the need to learn how to use additional devices. Immersive experience. Natural hand tracking can enhance the sense of immersion within VR environments by allowing users to directly manipulate virtual objects using their hands. This hands-on approach can create a more intuitive and engaging experience, particularly for training simulations or collaborative design sessions where precise interactions are crucial. VR controllers, while effective, may create a slight barrier between the user and the virtual world, impacting the overall sense of immersion. Precision and control. While hand tracking technology offers a more natural and intuitive interface, VR controllers still excel in tasks that require precise manipulation of virtual objects or complex interactions. The physical buttons and triggers on controllers provide tactile feedback and granular control over movements, making them ideal for applications such as product design, assembly simulations, or data visualization where precision is paramount. The choice between using VR controllers or natural hands for corporate applications depends on the specific requirements of the task and the preferences of the users involved. VR controllers offer familiarity, precision, and control, making them well suited for certain tasks within virtual environments. On the other hand tracking technology provides a more immersive, intuitive, and accessible interface that can enhance the overall user experience, particularly for collaborative activities and training simulations. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. Please subscribe to our channel to experience many more informative and interesting videos on VR applications in the corporate world. Thank you.